What's up? Hey, today we're playing Cage Bird Lost Mystery Story. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so the last time we stopped when Lily, like us, found something in the what is it called? In the fireplace. So let's see what it is. Jewel, come over here. I think I found something. Jewel joins you at the fireplace and reaches in to pick up the burned object. Wow, looks like it's something from corals. What did you find in the fireplace? Let's see. Coral's locket, a ninja star, a notebook. Coral's locket. Yes. Laying among the ashes is Coral's lost locket. Coral's been looking for that for weeks now. Could the search for Coral be getting warmer? Maybe. Signaling for Jewel to be quiet, you get up and begin looking around the rest of the room. Wow, that's a lot of pictures. It's then that you notice the hallway on the other side of that room. That's a lot of pictures of Coral. Like, that's a lot. Even her shadow. What the hell? Present along the hallway are hundreds of pictures of Johnny and Coral. Only one picture, Johnny and Coral, and tons of only Coral. Let's see. The pictures appear to be selfies taken by Johnny. I didn't get to read. Looking more closely at the pictures, you can see that Coral doesn't appear to know she is in the pictures. What is going on here? What do all these pictures mean? Just then, Johnny reappears and sits down on the coffee table. You try to appear as though you are not little as you sit back down next to Jewel on the couch. Johnny pours your tea and hands you the cup. Noticing that you are trembling, Johnny looks over at the pictures you had just seen in the hallway. I see you have found my art project. Art project? Yeah. I actually said that in my mind and I just heard her sing it. Oh my god. Okay, art project. Yes. I saw that you have many pictures of you and Coral on the wall. Realizing you are waiting for an explanation, Johnny continues on. I'm a budding photographer, and I wanted to do a project filled with selfies. Coral thought it could be interesting to place herself in the background of pictures to add some drama. You and Jewel look carefully at each other before you turn back to Johnny. Johnny, I don't mean to question your art, but it looks like Coral isn't aware she is in the pictures with you. For a moment you see something pass over Johnny's face, but then he smiles back to you. Oh, that was Coral's idea. She thought it could be funny if it looked like I was taking pictures without her knowing. Not sure if you fully believe, Johnny. You sit your cup down and look around the room again. It's at that moment you notice a picture frame on the wall next to Johnny. This seems to be the only normal picture you have seen and shows Coral and Johnny holding hands and smiling. Could you mind if I looked at that picture of you and Coral? You notice that Johnny seems a little nervous, but he gives you permission to look at the picture. This is getting really weird. I bet this Johnny dude is all a hold of this. Yeah. Looking closely at the picture, you notice that Coral looks relaxed. That's how she always is. Like, duh. You reach out to take the picture from the wall, but Johnny is quick to stop you. Why? Okay, this Johnny dude is like freaking me out. Oh no, you can't. What? Johnny slips in between you and the picture so that you can't see it anymore. Flying Abdul, you question Johnny about the picture. Why can't I touch the picture, Johnny? You see Johnny's mouth twitch before he grins at you. No reason, really. I just don't like for anyone to touch my personal things. Or like if you touch this like this one, you see this one, like this one, guys. No, not me. I mean this one in the picture. You see, like the one in the middle that like Johnny's like Coral is beside Johnny. This one is the one that she wants to actually hold. But I really bet, like if she holds it, like a weird dungeon or something opens. Yeah, I think that. Jewel silently appeared at your side and put his hand on your shoulder. Look, Johnny, we are not trying to invade your privacy. We just thought you might know where Coral is. Well, he knows. He knows, Jewel. You watch as Johnny seems to relax a bit before he grins at you. I wish I could help you. I really do. But like I said, I haven't seen Coral since we broke up. Yeah, you have seen her. As Johnny relaxes, he moves away from the picture so you can again see it. Something seems odd about that picture. See, it's just a plain old picture, and as you can see, your sister and I were once very happy together. No, you weren't. For a moment, you have to agree with him. Okay. Again, you move to take the picture of Coral and Johnny from the wall, and again Johnny moves in front of you. What the heck? I have already told you I don't like anyone to touch my personal things. Oh, come on. Everyone touches their personal things. Duh. Okay. The picture frame It is right before your eyes. What will you do? Pick up the frame or listen to Johnny's warning? Okay, I will pick up the frame because I know there is something hidden in it. Pick up the frame. Okay, let's save our progress first. Okay, and then we can continue. Okay, reaching around Johnny, you grab for the picture frame. I got it! Just as your fingers close over the edge of the frame, you hear a faint sound inside the wall. What? Hey, you can't just take the frame off the wall. The wallpaper might come off if you do. Johnny puts his hand over yours and pushes the frame back against the wall. What do you mean the wallpaper will come off? Well, you see, when I put the wallpaper up, I didn't let it dry before I hang this picture. So if you move it, it will tear the wall up, the wallpaper. Looking at Johnny, you get the feeling he isn't being truthful, but you aren't sure why. You draw your fingers back from the picture and Joel puts his arm around your shoulders. So you are going to tell me that noise I heard was just my imagination? No, you did hear a noise, but it was only the metal tearing through the wallpaper. I bet it was Coral. I bet. Something tells me he is full of it. Looking again at the picture of Coral and Johnny, you ask about where it is taken. That place doesn't look familiar. Where was that picture taken? You watch as Johnny looks over the picture before he answers you. Well, I don't quite remember now. Just some place we used to go. This Johnny dude is really weird. Is he hiding something from me? He is. You hear Joel flirting as Troll began you. You seem awfully protective of your pictures. Is there something we should know about them? Looking at Joel, Johnny shakes his head back and forth. Nothing at all. Moving to the wall of pictures, Johnny looks almost lost in his thoughts. Coral is so beautiful. What we have is special, and I have turned to capture the beauty in pictures. Just shut up. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, we're gonna end it here again, okay? Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I love you. See ya!